Ah! Oh, I didn't know that you came here so early. Okay. So, if you look over there, that is the Toy Story 3 DVD menu. We're reviewing it. Okay. So, where's the DVD cover? Oh. Oh. Ooh, ooh. Oh, I feel I just hit something. What's the... There's Toy Story 3, the first animated film of the year. Okay, so here's the description of the film. 3 screenshot. Can you be quiet, DVD menu? And there's Buzz. Yeet. Let's continue on this menu. Okay, let's get. Hey, Rex, get out of there. And so's you too. Okay. Okay. Let's do. Hey. Cool. There's no animated. There's no animated pictures of it. There's only just screenshots of the film for the scenes. Okay. So Bear, you want to review the bonus features? Yep, of course. Okay. Kidding me? And get out of here, Rex. Bonus features. Whoa! Did this ham just run by? So the bonus features, there's night and day. Okay. Oh, learn about how to from digital copy. Okay, so there's the setup. Green bunny, you wanna review that? Yep, of course. Okay, trying to get out of here, Rex. Okay, setup. You get. Oh, okay. So I'm controlling this with this. I am control. Man, I'm controlling it with this remote. I'm controlling it with this remote. Okay, there's languages. I like this music. Okay, rush your DVD and home DVD menu. Okay, so that's it. So that's it of the whole DVD review. Hope you liked it. Give your thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and check out these other 2 videos for free. Okay, let's just continue on the movie and I will say goodbye to you. Ooh. Yeah. I love this scene. Okay. Bye. Okay, bye.